Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Hi, no problem. What's wrong?
My phone just died and I really need to make a call.
Oh no, your battery is completely dead?
Yes, it shut off a few minutes ago.
I see. Do you need to call someone urgently?
Yes, I'm trying to reach my friend. We're supposed to meet here.
That's stressful. Do you have a charger with you?
I do, but there's no place to plug it in.
Right, that makes it hard.
Would it be okay if I used your phone for a quick call?
Sure, that's fine. Just one moment.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No worries. Here you go.
Thanks. I'll be quick.
Take your time.
Thanks again. You really helped me out.
Glad I could help. Everything okay now?
Yes, my friend is on the way.
That's good to hear.
I was worried for a moment.
It happens to all of us.
Next time, I'll bring a power bank.
That's a good idea.
Thank you again. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Take care.
Excuse me, may I ask you something?
Sure, how can I help you?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do.
Great. Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Of course, it's written on the wall over there.
Oh, I didn't see it. Thank you.
No problem.
I'm trying to connect, but it's not working.
Let me check. Are you on our guest network?
I'm not sure. I see two networks.
Please choose the one called Cafe Guest.
Okay, got it. And what's the password?
It's coffee123, all lowercase.
All right, let me try again.
Take your time.
It's connecting now.
Great. Is it working?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I just need it for a few minutes.
That's totally fine.
The connection seems a bit slow.
Yes, it can be slow when it's busy.
That's okay. I only needed to message someone quickly.
No problem at all.
Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy your time here.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good afternoon, Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. When would you like to stay?
From this Friday to Sunday.
Let me check availability. One moment, please.
Sure.
Yes, we have rooms available. How many guests will be staying?
2 adults.
Would you like a single room or a double room?
A double room, please.
Would you prefer one bed or two beds?
2 beds, please.
Do you have any special requests?
Yes, I'd like a sea view room if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we do have a sea view room available.
That's great.
The sea view room is $90 per night.
That's fine.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please.
All right, breakfast is included in the price.
Perfect.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emma Brown.
Could you please spell your last name?
Sure. Brown.
Thank you. May I have a phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234.
What time will you be arriving?
Probably in the early evening.
No problem. We'll hold the room for you.
Thank you.
Your booking is confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I bought this milk yesterday, but there's a problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I just noticed that the milk is expired.
Oh, let me take a look.
Sure.
Yes, you're right. The expiration date was last week.
Yes, I didn't notice it when I bought it.
I'm very sorry about that.
That's okay. I just want to know what I can do.
Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Is the milk unopened?
Yes, I haven't opened it.
That's good.
Can I return it?
Yes, of course. You can get a refund or exchange it for a new one.
I'd like a new one, please.
No problem. Let me get a fresh one for you.
Thank you.
Here you go. Please check the date.
Yes, this one is still good.
Again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries, it happens.
Everything is done.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. Is everything okay?
I'm sorry, but I think there's a small problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered the chicken pasta, but this one has beef.
I see. Let me take a look.
I might be wrong, but it tastes different from what I expected.
You're right. This is the beef pasta.
That's what I thought.
I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Would you like me to change it for you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Of course.
Will it take long?
It should be ready in about 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
Would you like to keep this one or should I take it back?
You can take it back.
No problem.
Thank you for handling this so nicely.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it.
We'll bring the correct dish as soon as it's ready.
Sounds good. Again, I'm sorry for the mistake.
No worries. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal once it arrives.
Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much, actually. How about you?
I'm thinking of taking it easy. It's been a long week.
Yeah, I feel the same way.
I might go for a walk if the weather's nice.
That sounds relaxing.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I try to catch up on sleep and do a bit of cleaning.
That sounds very productive.
I wouldn't say productive, just necessary.
Are you planning to stay in town?
Yes, I don't have any travel plans.
Same here. I just want to stay local.
Sometimes that's the best option.
I might meet a friend for coffee on Sunday.
That's nice. It's good to catch up with friends.
Do you ever work on weekends?
Only if I really have to.
I try not to, but sometimes it happens.
Yeah, it's hard to completely switch off.
Hopefully, we'll both get some rest.
I hope so.
Anyway, enjoy your weekend.
Thanks, you too.
This park is really nice.
Yes, it is. I'm glad we came here.
The weather is perfect for a picnic.
It really is. Not too hot, not too cold.
Let's sit here under the tree. Good idea.
There's some shade. I brought a blanket.
Great. I'll help you spread it out.
What did you bring for food?
I brought sandwiches and some fruit.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I brought some snacks and juice.
Nice. We have plenty to eat.
Do you want a cookie?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go.
It's really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Everything tastes better outside.
That's true. I like how quiet it is here.
Me too. It's very relaxing.
It's nice to slow down and enjoy the day.
Do you want to walk around after we eat?
Sure, we can take a shore walk.
Maybe we can take some photos.
Yes, that would be fun. I'm really enjoying this picnic.
Me too. It's a perfect date.
Let's stay a little longer.
Definitely. I don't want to leave yet.
This place is amazing. I'm really glad we came here.
Me too. I've been looking forward to this all week.
The beach looks beautiful today.
Yeah, and the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too windy.
I actually enjoy spending time in the sun. It makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Same here. I like getting some sun and a healthy tan.
Yeah, a little color always makes me feel better.
Me too. It feels natural and healthy.
Of course, we still need to be careful.
Definitely. I don't want to get sunburned.
Did you already put on sunscreen?
Yes, I did. I like being in the sun, but I still protect my skin.
Good. That's the smart way to enjoy it.
I love just lying here and listening to the waves.
Same. It's so peaceful. Do you want to go swimming later?
Maybe in a bit. I want to relax and enjoy the sun first.
That sounds good. We don't need to rush today.
Exactly. This trip is all about taking it easy.
After swimming, we could get something cold to drink.
I'd love that. Something cold would be perfect right now.
Then maybe we can walk along the beach.
Yes, I love walking by the water.
Trips like this really help me forget about work.
Same here. I feel so much more relaxed already.
We should plan beach trips like this more often.
Definitely. This is exactly what I needed.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I am. I just started today.
Oh, welcome. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Mark.
Which team are you joining?
I'm joining the marketing team.
Oh, that's great. I work with them quite a bit.
That's good to know.
Is this your first job in this field?
No, I worked at another company before.
How do you like it so far?
It's been good. Everyone seems friendly.
It really is a nice place to work.
I can already feel that.
Did you find everything okay this morning?
Yes, though the office is a bit bigger than I expected.
Yeah, it can be confusing on the first day.
I already got lost once.
Don't worry, that happens to everyone.
That's good to hear.
You'll get used to it quickly.
I hope so.
If you need help with anything, just let me know.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Are you joining us for coffee later?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. See you around then.
Sounds good. See you later.
Morning.
Morning.
Going up?
Yes, to the 5th floor.
Oh, nice.
How about you?
I'm heading to the 7th.
Got it.
It's pretty busy this morning.
Yeah, Mondays are always like this.
Did you have trouble getting in today?
A little. Traffic was heavier than usual.
Same here. I almost missed the elevator.
I know that feeling.
At least it's moving quickly.
True. Sometimes it stops on every floor,
That can be frustrating.
especially when you're running late.
Which department are you in, by the way?
I'm in finance. How about you?
I work in marketing.
Oh, nice. I work with your team sometimes.
Really? Then we've probably emailed before.
Most likely.
Is this your floor?
Yes, this is me.
Well, have a good day.
You too.
See you around.
See ya.
Hi, Mike. Did you get your blood test report?
Not yet. I'm still waiting.
When did you take the test?
2 days ago.
It should be ready now.
Maybe I should call the clinic.
Yes, that's faster.
Hello? I'd like my blood test report, please.
Sure. May I have your name?
Mike Johnson.
One moment, please.
Do they have it?
She's checking now. Yes, it's ready for pickup.
Thank you. Can I get it by email?
Yes, we can send it today.
That's perfect.
Good. No need to go there.
Yes, that saves time.
Are you nervous about the results?
A little, but I feel fine.
I'm sure it's all good.
Thanks, Lisa. You're always positive.
I try to be.
I'll check my email later.
Let me know when you get it.
I will.
Health is important, right?
Absolutely.
Mike, why are you upset?
My parents read my phone messages.
Oh no, really?
Yes, I told them not to.
Maybe they were worried.
I know, but that's my privacy.
Did you yell at them?
Yes, I got angry.
You should talk calmly next time.
I will try.
Parents sometimes don't understand phones.
True.
They think I hide something.
Maybe explain why you feel upset.
That's a good idea.
They love you, just want to protect you.
Yes, I know that. You can show them safe apps you use.
That might help.
Then they'll trust you more.
I hope so.
Don't stay mad too long.
No, I'll talk tonight.
Good. Calm words work better.
Thanks, Lisa.
You're welcome.
I feel better after talking.
I'm glad. Excuse me, Mike. Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's 2 blocks from here.
Which direction?
Go straight and turn right.
Near the supermarket?
Yes, just beside it.
Oh, I see it now. Are you taking bus 15?
Yes, to the city center.
That's the right stop. How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
Great. I won't wait long.
The next one is at 3:20.
Perfect timing. Do you have a bus card?
Yes, I topped it up yesterday.
Good. The driver prefers that.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime, Mike. Maybe I'll see you on the bus.
Sure, I go that way often.
Nice. We can chat on the ride.
Sounds